Have you ever felt that sudden, uncomfortable urge to rush to the bathroom due to stomach cramps? Or perhaps experienced bloating that makes you feel like a balloon about to burst? These could be signs of irritable bowel syndrome, a common disorder affecting the large intestine. Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world experience these symptoms, and understanding IBS is the first step towards feeling better. While the exact cause of IBS remains a mystery, we've made significant strides in understanding how it affects the gut and what triggers its troublesome symptoms. This essay will guide you through the ins and outs of IBS, providing you with the knowledge and tools to manage your gut health effectively. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your body is the first step towards feeling empowered and in control. IBS is a functional disorder, meaning the digestive system looks normal but doesn't work as it should. It's like a miscommunication between the brain and the gut, leading to a range of uncomfortable symptoms. The severity and type of symptoms vary greatly from person to person. Some individuals experience infrequent, mild discomfort, while others battle persistent, debilitating pain. There's no one-size-fits-all experience with IBS. This individuality makes diagnosing and managing IBS a personal journey. What works wonders for one person might not have the same effect on another. The key is to understand your unique triggers, symptoms, and responses to treatment. By working closely with your doctor and listening to your body, you can develop an individualized plan to manage your IBS and live a full and active life. IBS is often called a diagnosis of exclusion, meaning doctors rule out other conditions first before concluding it's IBS. This is because many digestive disorders share similar symptoms, making it tricky to pinpoint the culprit without proper investigation. However, some common red flags suggest you might be dealing with IBS. These include recurring abdominal pain or cramping, often relieved by bowel movements, changes in bowel habits like diarrhea or constipation, bloating, gas, and a feeling of incomplete evacuation. While experiencing these symptoms occasionally is normal, persistent and disruptive occurrences warrant a visit to your doctor for proper evaluation. Early diagnosis and management are key to preventing complications and improving your quality of life. Despite extensive research, the exact cause of IBS remains a mystery. However, scientists believe that a complex interplay of factors contributes to its development. One prominent theory revolves around the gut-brain connection, the intricate communication pathway between the central nervous system and the enteric nervous system in the gut. Stress, anxiety, and other emotional factors can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to IBS symptoms. Another contributing factor is gut dysbiosis, an imbalance in the gut microbiota, the trillions of bacteria residing in our intestines. This imbalance can be triggered by factors like infections, antibiotic use, and poor diet, leading to inflammation and digestive distress. Food sensitivities and intolerances can also play a role, with certain foods triggering IBS symptoms in susceptible individuals. Hormonal changes, particularly in women, can exacerbate IBS symptoms, suggesting a link between hormonal fluctuations and gut health. Finally, post-infectious IBS, triggered by a previous gastrointestinal infection, highlights the long-term impact infections can have on gut function. Section 5. Diagnosis Dilemma. Identifying IBS. Diagnosing IBS can be a bit like solving a puzzle, as there's no single test to confirm its presence. Doctors rely on a combination of factors, including your medical history, a physical exam, and ruling out other conditions with similar symptoms. The Rome criteria, a set of internationally recognized guidelines, are often used to diagnose IBS based on symptom frequency and severity. However, the Rome criteria alone aren't enough. Doctors might recommend additional tests to rule out other digestive disorders, such as blood tests, stool tests, and even imaging scans like colonoscopies. These tests help ensure that your symptoms aren't caused by other underlying conditions requiring different treatment approaches. It's important to be open and honest with your doctor about your symptoms and medical history to facilitate accurate diagnosis and appropriate management. Section 6. Taking Control, IBS Management and You. While hearing that IBS has no cure can be disheartening, don't despair. The good news is that IBS can be effectively managed with the right approach. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your triggers, symptoms, and treatment options puts you in the driver's seat of your health journey. By working closely with your doctor and adopting a proactive approach, you can regain control of your gut and live a fulfilling life. The first step towards effective IBS management is recognizing that it's a marathon, not a sprint. There's no quick fix or magic pill. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to experiment to find what works best for you. Your doctor can guide you through the maze of treatment options, including dietary modifications, lifestyle changes, stress management techniques, medications, and alternative therapies. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Millions of people worldwide are navigating life with IBS, and with the right tools and support, you can too. Section 7. Food as medicine. Dietary strategies for IBS relief. Food can be a powerful ally or a formidable foe in the battle against IBS. Identifying and avoiding trigger foods can make a world of difference in managing your symptoms. While trigger foods vary from person to person, some common culprits include fatty foods, spicy foods, caffeine, alcohol, carbonated beverages, and artificial sweeteners. Keeping a food diary can help you pinpoint your unique triggers and make informed choices about your diet. One dietary approach that has shown promise for IBS management is the low FODMAP diet. FODMAPs are a group of poorly absorbed carbohydrates that can ferment in the gut, triggering IBS symptoms. By reducing your intake of high FODMAP foods like certain fruits, vegetables, grains, and dairy products, you can potentially reduce bloating, gas, and abdominal pain. It's important to note that the low FODMAP diet is not a long-term solution and should be done under the guidance of a registered dietitian to ensure nutritional adequacy. Section 8. Beyond the plate lifestyle modifications for IBS. While diet plays a crucial role in IBS management, it's not the only piece of the puzzle. Lifestyle modifications can significantly impact your gut health and overall well-being. Stress, often a silent trigger for IBS symptoms, can exacerbate digestive distress. Incorporating stress management techniques into your routine, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or spending time in nature, can help soothe your mind and gut. Regular physical activity is another powerful tool in your IBS management arsenal. Exercise not only helps regulate bowel movements, but also reduces stress and improves overall mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Prioritizing sleep is equally important, as lack of sleep can disrupt the gut microbiome and worsen IBS symptoms. Strive for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest and repair. Section 9. Natural allies, complementary therapies for IBS. In addition to conventional medical treatments, many people with IBS find relief through complementary therapies. These therapies, often used in conjunction with conventional medicine, aim to address the mind-body connection and promote overall well-being. Acupuncture, an ancient Chinese practice involving inserting thin needles into specific points on the body, has shown promise in reducing IBS symptoms by influencing the gut-brain axis. Herbal remedies, used for centuries to treat digestive issues, offer a natural approach to IBS management. Peppermint oil, known for its antispasmodic properties, can help relax gut muscles and relieve abdominal pain. Ginger, another culinary staple with medicinal properties, can aid digestion and reduce nausea. Probiotics, live bacteria that promote a healthy gut microbiome, have gained popularity as a potential IBS remedy. By restoring the balance of gut bacteria, probiotics may alleviate symptoms like bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Section 10. A brighter outlook. Living well with IBS. Living with IBS can be challenging, but it doesn't have to control your life. By understanding the condition, identifying your triggers, and adopting a proactive approach to management, you can live a full and active life despite the occasional rumble in your gut. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Millions of people worldwide are navigating life with IBS, and with the right tools and support, you can too. Don't be afraid to advocate for your health and seek support from healthcare professionals, registered dietitians, and therapists specializing in digestive health. With their guidance, you can develop an individualized management plan that addresses your unique needs and empowers you to take control of your gut health. Remember, knowledge is power, and by staying informed and proactive, you can navigate the challenges of IBS and live a fulfilling life.